You are going to love the 2018 G80. The Genesis G80 offers a distinct luxury vehicle coupled with great value. Power, technology, and safety are all reasons you're going to want to check out this premium sedan, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, CD player, heated front seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.